Hey, this is my aunt. This is my mom's sister.
Hi, Wendy. What's up? Oh, right on. You guys were in Denver? Hi, nice to meet you.
Guys, it's the Eagle. I am down here in downtown Orlando, the Downtown Credo coffee shop. Now, I'm here meeting up with a friend of mine that I met at Fun for Louis at the Live the Adventure Summit out in California that I went to back in November. BC Serna, doing good things. He did raise the money, and it's for. He's been traveling across country in an RV to different parts of the United States. Just doing different charities, just doing good things that are involved with the community and things. Like today, his trip to Orlando, he sent a family to Disney that who's never been, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'll let him explain a lot of that. I'm going to talk to him here in a little bit, but yeah, he's doing good things. So, if you're not following him, follow him online. And I'll post all the links in the description, but you'll see more of him in a little bit. But yeah, this should be a fun event. It's good seeing him again. I wish I could have joined them for this trip across the country. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit.
Hey, BC here. We're with Perry Grome. Perry Grome just played a game of Give and Love, and I'm interviewing you. You're an athlete. No, I'm a reporter. I'm doing the ear thing.
I saw you do the your thing.
But I wanted to do the microphone thing to you.
I got a microphone.
Okay. Guys, okay, let's just be serious. Okay, guys, so. Okay. So we.
So we met a family here. There was a lot of need. We're in Orlando. We met a family here in Orlando. There was a lot of need. We got tickets to Disney World for them. And while they're at Disney World, they've only been there for like 5 hours. And we had a goal. We set a goal to try to raise $1,000 through like our awesome community within that 5 hours.
Well, to back up, we met the family this morning.
Yeah.
We heard about the family, and then we met them, and the goal was just to bless them with a day at Disney World with the kids and with Chris and Devontae, which I think are having just as much fun.
Yeah.
And that was like the goal, but we had an hour drive from Tampa where we picked them up to Orlando, and from that drive we just like fell in love with them.
Yeah.
Like the hearts, the story, the compassion the dad has, the authenticity that the dad has, and then we dropped them off at Disney World, and they set off to go have fun, and then we were like, wait, let's just try to raise some money.
Yeah, like what if by the time we pick them up, we can hand them $1,000? And so like within the last few hours, we set up a fundraiser and set it out, and it just hit.
Yeah, we'll come over here, you can see it. So 32 people. And we're at 9:35, 9:45. So we're $55 away from $1,000. And I think that's
how long has it been?
We launched. No. We launched it at 5 o'clock.
So it's only been 2 hours. It's 7 o'clock right now. It's all 2.5 hours.
It's been 2.5 hours. There's $1,000 from 32 people, 33 people.
That's crazy. And it was cool to see the dad and his two sons go in there with them, like, because they never got to do anything like this. And the dad's in a wheelchair, and he was like looking up at his kids. They were like bouncing around, had so much joy, and he was like almost crying, looking up at his kids. So we can't even imagine what this is going to be like when we do this.
I think we get Swain to do it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think we get Devontae to do it. So.
It's so crazy, dude. It's crazy the amount of time.
Yeah, we launched it at 5 o'clock. How do we like? That's unreal. That's like.
Isn't that crazy? In 2 hours.
Should we go? I'm gonna go live, dude. Yeah. Because that's what someone said. We gotta go live.
A wise man once said, "Go live."
That's what I love to do. Guys, I am here with BC. He's going to go ahead and tell you about what he's been doing here.
What's up, Chris's Eagle channel? My name is BC. We are on a U.S. road trip all around the country in 25 different cities. We're living in an RV with 7 guys, and we're making a documentary and a film about what purpose means. And everywhere we go, we try to celebrate and highlight nonprofits and the good happening in America. We share it through our YouTube and social media, and we do random acts of kindness everywhere we go. So if you are, I guess in the United States, we're most likely coming to a city near you or your city. So check out our links and where we're going, and we're in 25 different cities in the US, and we can't wait to meet y'all. Thanks.
Also, tell them about that, what you just did for that family here in Orlando.
Yeah, so we got to surprise a family in Orlando today, a family in need with free tickets to Disney World. And then we fell in love with like their hearts and their stories, and so we just did a fundraiser, and in 3 hours we raised $1,000, which is cool.
Yeah, BC, as you see, he's doing good stuff. I'm going to put all the links down to the Traveling Good and BC's social media links down below, and check him out. He's doing big things.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Later, guys.
See you guys.